So this is what the URL address are there, and the URL email. Email means electronic mail, or email is the information that you stored, okay, to the computer to exchange the telecommunication system. You can send the emails. So this is the effective way of your, you can join with your friends, colleagues, all this. You can, they can send you and you can send. So features of emails is automatic and default reply to the message, auto forward and redirection of the message, facility to send and copy the message, automatic filling and retrieving the message, address can be stored and it can be retrieved instantly, notice if message cannot be delivered, you will get a notice if the message is not delivered. The basic function of the email is to send and receive the mail, save your message in a file, print your message, that you all know, print the mail message, reply to the message and attach the file to the mail messages. Okay, email, how the email will start, some at the rate of then the mail and server, someone then at the rate of mail and server. So those the address, I am again saying, all the address, IP address, URL address, DNS address, okay, and email address will going to come and it will ask you to identify what they are, and you have to divide them in this way. First dividation I have shown you, this is the another dividation I am showing you. At, then at the rate of sign, the address of the mail, suppose feedback dot mykvs at the rate of gmail.com. So feedback mykvs is the username, this is what, this is the separator, and this is what, this is the mail server. Okay, this way you have to, you can write in your copy, you have to divide it. So email client means the program what you are managing. There are different popular programs are there, popular email clients and Microsoft Outlook, okay, then Pegasus mail, Mozilla Thunderbirds, okay, Apple. So different type of email clients are there, you can use any pattern of email client. Web-based address, what are there, you can find it that email server has provided the Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, they are the very well-known part. So how the email work, electronic mail work in the facility of transmission. See here the sender, then SMTP. Okay, SMTP means simple mail transfer protocol. From simple mail transfer protocol again to the simple mail, then go to the internet section, then again simple mail transfer protocol, then it will come to the server. From server it will go to the POP3 simple mail transfer protocol and it will receive it. So POP3 means post office protocol third version. POP3 means post office protocol third version. So SMTP to POP3. POP3 means this, POP3 is what? Full form of POP3 is post office protocol third version. SMTP full form is simple mail transfer protocol. Okay, so this way these are the things how the message will be sent. Clear? So SMTP means simple mail transfer protocol is one of another mail what is pushed. Pushed means to send. Okay, send from one to another section. That means this was POP3 to IMAP. It's let you to enter. That's it. ESMTP. ESMTP means extended simple mail transfer protocol. So this way how you find the thing will be transmitted. Okay, end-to-end method, that means from one person to another, and store and forward method, it will take, it will store, after that it will forward. Okay, so there are the two way the SMTP simple mail transfer protocol can work. Clear? So POP3 means post office protocol version 3. This is what a mail version through which the emails are being sent to the remote corner of the clients, okay, where it is not been used for a long duration of time. So POP3 is loaded there in an, when you are working you find it that it will going to access your account, it will going to do the message download the locality, it will going to show you the multiple locations, all the required information will be shown to you by POP3. So every machine now have got a POP3. Chatting, we all know about the chatting. Chatting is a very common thing that we converse with the people, and we can directly converse with the people through chatting. So this is how the chatting is been done. You can use them free at this moment, and you can have your discussion free. So chatting software is MSN Messenger, Yahoo Messenger, IRC, and PIDGIN. Okay, so chatting means what? Chatting means you see here the client one is sending some message, that is chat server.